Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Easy Tutorials YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to learn how to make a side navigation menu using HTML and CSS. In this side navigation bar I have added the logo, and after that you can see some menu list. If I take cursor over any menu, you can see the hover effect, the background becomes white. And there is one more effect: if I move cursor from one menu item to another, the white background is also moving very smoothly. Let me change the screen size so that you can see how this side menu will look on a small screen. So now you can see this sidebar becomes a small in a small screen device, and you can see the logo icon at the top, and after that we have different icons for different menu list. There is no text. So we will learn how to make this beautiful sidebar menu design using HTML and CSS step by step. So let's start this video. Here in this folder I have added the HTML file and CSS file, and I have two icons for the logo. You can find these images link in the video description. Let me open these files with my code editor, which is Visual Studio Code. So this is the HTML file where I have added the basic HTML structures, and this one is the CSS file where I have added margin 0, padding 0, box sizing and font family. And this is applicable for all the HTML elements. Let me come back to the HTML file, and here you can see we have added the link tag to connect the HTML and CSS file. Now in this body tag we will add the code that will be displayed on our web page. So here let's add a div with the class name header. Next we will add the CSS properties for this header. So just copy this class name, write it here in this CSS file, and here we will define the width and height for this div. So the width will be 100% and height 100 VH, which is viewport height. And after that we will add the background. So let me add the background this color code. After adding this, let me come back to the folder and open this HTML file with any web browser. Now you can see this color on the complete web page. This is very dark color. Let me change the color. Here we will add another light color. Now you can see very light color background on this web page. Within this header we will add another div with the class name side nav. And in this side nav, let's add one a tag, and in this a tag we will add a class name also. So the class name is logo. Now in this one we will add one image. It is img tag. Write the file path of the image. So we will add logo.png. This is the file name. After adding this, again come back to the website, and you can see this logo at the top left corner. Next we have to add the background color for the side nav, and we will set the size for this logo also. So let me come back, and here we have added the class name side nav. So we will add the CSS for this one. Here we will add side nav, and let's add the width. It will be 250 pixel. Then height will be 100%, and after that we will add the background. We will add this background color, and after that let's add the position. Position will be fixed, so that whenever we will scroll the web page, the navigation menu will be at the fixed position. Here we will add top 0 and left 0, and we will add some padding, so we will get some space around the logo and menu items. So let's add 20 pixel from top and bottom and 30 pixel from left and right side. After adding this, again refresh the website. Now you can see this dark color in the left side. Next we have to add the CSS for this logo. So let's come back, and here you can see we have the class name called logo. So let's add this class name here, and for this one we will add display. Display will be block, and margin from the bottom it will be 130 pixel. And in this logo we have added the img tag. So let's add a class name for this one. So we will add the class name logo img. This is logo image. So write this class name here, logo img, and for this one we will add the width. So the width will be 150 pixel, like this. Now you can see perfect size for this logo. Next we will add the list. In that list we will add the menu items. So let me come back to the HTML file, and after this a tag we will add ul for unordered list, then li for the list item, and in this one we will add a tag. So write a tag, and here we will add the text. So let me add the text in p tag, and here we will add the text dashboard. So this is the first menu link. Let me duplicate it, and here we will add another text. So after updating all the menu link text, let's come back to the web page again, and you can see these menu list. So next we have to add the CSS for this one. So let's come back, and in this UL we will add a class name called navlinks. Just copy this class name and come to the CSS file. For this navlinks we will add list style. So list style will be none, and position will be relative. And after that we have the li. So write navlinks li, and in this one we will add some padding. So we will only add padding from top and bottom. So padding 10 pixel from top and bottom, and left right 0, like this. Again come back to the web page. You can see we have some space in all the menu list. Next we have to change its color, and we will remove this underline. So let's come back, and you can see in this li we have the a tag. So copy this one, then write a, and for this a tag we will add color. So the color will be white, then text decoration will be none, and after that we will add some padding. So let's add the padding of 10 pixel from top and bottom, and 14 pixel from left and right side. And after that again come back to the web page. You can see these list items in white color. Next we have to add one icon in all the list items. For that we will use the fontawesome.com. So open the website fontawesome.com. Here you have to create an account, then go to kits and click here, and just copy this one line of script and add it in your HTML file just above this closing head tag. So let me add it here. So we have added this a script tag here. After that again come to the same website, click on icons, and here you can search for any icon that you want to display on your web page. So let me search for home. So let me click on this one and click here to copy this one line of code. Just copy this one and paste it in your HTML file where you want to display the icon. So we want to display the icon just in front of this text, which is dashboard. So it is in p tag. So before this p tag we will add the icon like this. Now I will search for another icon. So let's come back to the same website again, and here we will add another search term. Click here and add it here. Similarly search the different icon and add in all the list items. So we have added different icons in all the list item. Now again refresh the website and you can see these icons over here. Now we have to align the icon and text in the same horizontal line. So let's come back, and here we have added the list item, then A. So in this one we will add display. So let's add the display, flex, align items, it will be center. Now you can see the icon and text side by side. Next we have to increase the size of this icon and we will add some space between the icon and text. For that, let's come back. Here you can see we have the I tag for the icon within this A. So let's come back and copy this one, write it here, and then write I. It is for the icons. So here we will add font size, it will be 22 pixel, and we will add a space in the right side. So margin right, it will be 20 pixel. After that, again refresh the website. Now you can see the increased size for this icon and there is some space between the icon and text. Next we have to add the hover effect here. So for that, let's come back, and here we have the HTML file. So in this one, just above this closing UL tag, we will add one div with the class name active. Just copy this class name active, write it here in this CSS file. And for this one, let's add the background. So the background will be white color, then width will be 100%, and after that we will add the height. So let's add the height of 47 pixel, and after that we will add the position. Position will be absolute. Then we will add left 0 and top 0. Z index, it will be -1. After that we will add border radius, it will be 6 pixel. Let's add the box shadow. After adding this, again refresh the website. So right now you can see this box over here, but the menu link is not visible because that is also in the white color. So we have to change the color for the menu link. So let's come back, and here we have the nav links LIA. So just copy this one, write it here, and here we will add hover. So whenever we will take cursor over the LI, it will change the color of the link text. So we will add the color and transition 0.3 seconds. Now if I take cursor, you can see the menu link, but right now the position of this white box is not correct. So let me inspect this web page. Here you can see the top position of this white box is 0. So let me increase this one. Here we will add 1%, 2%, 3 it is more. So let me decrease this one. It will be 2.6. So if I write 2.6, it is the perfect position for this first menu. So just add this here, top 2.6%. Right now there is one more problem. This white box is visible by default without taking cursor over any menu item. So we have to hide this one. So let's come back, and in this active we will add display none. So it will be hidden, and after that let's copy this nav links li, and here we will add hover. Then add this tilde symbol and write dot active. and here we will add display block. That's it. After adding this, again come to the website, and now you can see the white box is hidden, but when I take cursor over the first menu item, the background will become white. So it is working fine for the first item. Now let's move the cursor on another menu item. So you can see the white box is still at the same position, it is not moving. So we have to move this white box whenever we will move the cursor on another menu items. So let's come back, and here we have to add the class name navlinks, then li, and here we will add the nthchild 1, so it will be for the first list item. Then write hover. It means whenever we will take cursor on first list item, and after that we will add this tilde symbol, then dot active. So whenever we will take cursor over the first item, the top value will be 2.6. It is fine. Let me duplicate this one, and here we will add list item 2. So it is the second list item, and here we have to change the top position. So here you can see we have these 6 items. So here we will calculate 100 divided by 6 and we will get 16.6. So already the first one is 2.6%, and in this one if we will add 16.6%, it will become 19.2%. Similarly, duplicate this one, it is in a child 3, and in this one you have to increase the value by 16.6, so it will become 35.8. So let me add the CSS for all the list item. It is 4, 5 and 6. So we have added the different top value for all the list items. After adding this, again come back to the website, and you can see if I take cursor here, it is working fine, and if I move cursor to another list item, it is also moving. But right now this movement is not very smooth. So let me come back, and here we will come to the active, and in this one we have to add the transition. So let's add the transition top 0.5 seconds. After adding this, again refresh the website, and now you can see if I move cursor from one menu item to another, it is moving very smoothly. So this moving hover animation is working fine. Next we will change the screen size, and let's see how this sidebar looks on smaller screen. It is looking same, but we have to decrease the width, and we will also hide the text. So let's come back, and here we will add the media queries. Media only a screen and max width 600 pixel. And within this we will add the CSS properties. That CSS properties will be applicable for the device width less than 600 pixel. Now we have to decrease the width of this side navigation bar. So at the top you can see we have added side nav, and width is 250 pixel. Come back to the media. Here we will add dot side nav, width it will be 110 pixel, so it will be small like this. Next we have to replace this logo with the logo icon. So let's come back to the folder, and here you can see we have the logo here, and this is the logo icon. So come back to the HTML file. Here after this logo image we will add another image, img src logo dash icon dot png. So it is the logo icon, and write the class name. Class name will be logo icon, like this. When we will add this one and come back to the full screen, you can see two icons here. So we have to hide this one from the larger screen. So let's come back and copy this logo icon, write it here. Just above this media query, we will add logo icon display none, so it will be hidden. And let's set the width also. Width will be 45 pixel. And in this media query, again we will add the same class name, logo icon display block, so it will be visible. So right now here we are adding display none, so it will be hidden for larger screen, and here we are adding display block, so it will be visible for a smaller screen. And earlier we have added the logo img for the larger screen, so we have to hide this one. So write display none, that's it. And open this web page in a smaller screen, so you can see this icon over here, so it is fine. Next we have to hide the text written in the menu items. So let's come back, and here you can see we have the li a, and in this a we have the p tag. So again we will come back to the CSS file. Here we will add navlinks li a and p display none, so it will be hidden. Let's copy this one, and in this li we have the a tag, and in this a we have the icons. So for this icon we will add margin right, it will be 0. And let's copy this one. Here we will add justify content center. After adding this, again refresh the website, and here you can see this sidebar looks perfect on a smaller screen. You can see the hover effect also. This background color is moving from one item to another item very smoothly. So it is working fine for a smaller screen also. So this is how we have completed this beautiful sidebar menu design using HTML and CSS. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Please like and share this video, and also subscribe my channel Easy Tutorials to watch more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video.